Welcome back to the Bluffton News. With me now is Kayleigh Vaughn, and she is with the Morris Center for Lowcountry Heritage. Whenever I talk to you, it usually means we're going into a new season, and of course we are. We're going into spring, and that means you've got some new exhibits and new programs coming up. Tell us what's going on.
Yeah, so at the Morris Center, we have an exciting new exhibition that opened in February. It's called A War on Two Fronts. It is on loan from Coastal Carolina University, and it tells the story of Black soldiers in World War II. And we're really excited to have this exhibit on view until August 13th. So we invite everyone to come and see it while it's still here at the museum. And we also have a lot of fun programming around it, as always. And then Soul of the South, our exhibit will be closing this summer, but we're going to celebrate it with a program called The Gospel Truth coming up on April 2nd. It's a free program, and it's going to be featuring a musicologist talking about kind of the history behind certain gospel hymns. And then we'll have a local group perform them at the event. Pastor Elijah White and the Blessed Ones, he's local to Richland. And then also, as a part of this program, we want to make sure we are being really good community service members. We are having the Board of Elections and Voter Registration from Jasper County will be on site to help folks with their voter registration status and help them register to vote as well.
Wow, that is great. I mean, what a community service that is, and creative on your part for putting those two things together. So that's awesome. What other workshops might you have coming up? And I think you have something of an author talk as well. So, and how do, I know you said that the program on April 2nd is free. Do you need to register before going, or can you just show up that day?
So we do ask people to register ahead of time just because we do have limited space. So you can just go to our website and you can click on the link to RSVP at that. And this is also where you sign up for all of our other programs. But we do have some fun workshops coming up. We have a caricature drawing workshop on May 21st, and it's only going to be $20 a person. So that's a pretty accessible price for folks for a workshop. We also will be having a sea turtle paint party for the family on June 18th. So that will be a fun activity for anybody 6 and up, but we encourage families to sign up for that together, and that's only $30 per canvas. And our author talk is actually tomorrow, so I wanted to spotlight that. If anyone is available on March 15th, we'll have Susan B. Zarenda. She's going to be talking about her book, Bells for Eli, and we're just excited to have on-site programs again, so we wanted to feature her and what she's doing as far as talking about her writing process and what it's like writing historical fiction.
Well, as always, there's so much going on at the center, and we appreciate you being here to share with us everything that is going on. And so make sure that you are headed to, tell them again how to register your website and how to do that so they make sure to get in these great programs, because I know that they fill up quickly.
Yes. So our website is morrisheritagecenter.org. And then you also can find all of our things on Facebook as well. We're also at Morris Heritage Center on Facebook.
Excellent. Well, Kayleigh, as always, it's good to see you, and thank you for the excellent information. After a quick break, we'll find out what's going on at Bluffton Self-Help. Don't go away.